starts with Kentucky. We're doing 16 beats of Kentucky. 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we do an exhibola. 1, 2, 3. And then we go into setenta. 5, 6, 7. And we finish setenta. Let me do the whole thing again. Kentucky into exhibola, setenta. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Exhibola into setenta, and we finish setenta. Lead rocks in, and we're all done. This will be 24 beats of montagna, 8 beats of exhibola, and then picking up sombrero de mani on beat 9 of that move. Montagna, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 3, 2, 3, 5, 6, freeze. That's 24 beats of montagna. Now we're going to do an exhibola. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And now we're going to go into sombrero de mani. Lead rocks in, bring the follow around, bring the follow behind, cross body lead, and I'm done. Montagna, exhibola, sombrero de mani. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 3, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Exhibola, 8 beats of it. And this is starting from beat 9 of sombrero de mani. Quick, quick, slow, cross body lead, and we're done. Combination of detto or detto con derrumbe, which just involves hops. It's actually the same structure and same timing as regular detto. And then we're going after 16 beats of detto. We go into uno y dos, and we do 24 beats of uno y dos, and then we do balsero y beso. 6, 7, 8. Detto, 16 beats. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 2, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. I'm in position now to begin uno. I'm going to do uno y dos. 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 3, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to go into balsero y beso. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's the first 8 beats of balsero. And now I'm going to go into beso, the whole beso. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, wah. Leader turns in place. Two-handed enchufla. And the lead rocks in, and we're all done. 5, 6, 7, 8. Detto, we're doing 16 beats of detto. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now freeze. Notice they're in position to do enchufla doble, y quédate. So here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 16 beats. 5, 6, 7. 2, 2, 3. That's it. 5, 6, 7. Freeze. Now we're in position to do 8 beats of exhibola. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now we're in position to do 8 beats of delicano. And the lead rocks in. And that's it. Out and together, forward and together. Kentucky for 16 beats. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Into a Coca-Cola turn. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and paseo. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Bring her behind and cross body lead, out and in. Balsero Nuevo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do paseo en reverse. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And from here, I'm going to go into enchufa doble. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And I'll stay with my partner for an enchufa doble in kenite. So now we're going to imagine that there's a circle, and I'm going to show how we would do something with a dame con los manos. On every beat 1, you can call a different move. So for example, if these were followers and I were leading, I would be doing dame con los manos like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, if on that first one I called a given move, then my partner on my left would be doing it with her next partner, and the partner on my right would be doing it with me. So I'll give an example. Dame con los manos, in and face the center. Vacila, 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I'm doing vacila with the partner who is on my right. Dame con los manos, in and face the center. Enchufla dame hero. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And I move to my partner, cross body lead, and a partner would pick up my partner also.